I'm here right now having lunch with the most affordable ramen here in Cebu City. It's called the Hakata Tonkotsu 99 Ramen. So you can find them. Pila ka buk branches ninyo here?
15 branches now.
They have 15 branches around the city. 99 Ramen have 15 branches around the city. They're mostly on the malls. So these are the things that they do. So all ramen are only 99 pesos because you know I often go to the Yoshoken and the ramens there will cost me about over 300 pesos per bowl. So I want to try this one if it's really comparable to the original Japanese ramen. So these are the different. They have the original ramen, spicy black noodle ramen. Then they have the special tonkotsu, special shoyo, and special shio. Although they do have some specials, this one here only costs 99 pesos only. They have the 99 masisoba, and although they do add a little bit more toppings on this one, the special ramen for 150. But this is the one that some of my subscribers already tasted this one. I haven't, so I cannot tell you what it is, but this will be the first time I'll be tasting this. I'm here right now in the Robinson's Galleria food court, and this ramen is here that I want to try. I've ordered 2 original ramen for me and Deloitte to try. I don't know if this is the first time Deloitte's gonna have a Japanese ramen as well. So they're doing my order right now, so I'll be showing you what it tastes like. So they'll be doing your ramen right there in the stall that they have. So you can find them in most malls around Cebu City, because like this in charge here said, there are about 15 branches all over Cebu City. Naasad mo sa Manila doon? Wala? Na? Oh, so they haven't been to Mindanao, but they're already available in Manila. So they have received an award as the best budget ramen for 2018. So he's now making my order for 2 original ramen. So you can see he's putting on the different sauces, soy sauce and the other flavorings. And then they will put on the noodles under boiling. So they're putting the noodles on the boiling soup. Chicken soup, I think, because it's flavored. Pila ka minutes ang fresh noodles na inyong gigamit dong? Fresh noodles? Kamoy naghimo sa noodles? So they have their own production of the noodles that they use. It's not your like dried noodles. GY Square.
Nakakita ka dito mga production na sila yung machine na magbuhat.
JY sa Lahog.
May lahog.
Sige. So he said the main production is in JY Lahog, and I could see them making the noodles. So there, the noodles is ready. Put it on the soup. Then he's gonna mix all the ingredients that comes with original noodles, the slices of pork. Okay, and then he'll put some spring onions. Muna na siya. Okay, it's done. I'll have to pick it up. So we have our noodles now. I will show you. Just the Lloyd don't know what to do with it. I'll show him how to eat it in a minute, but I'll just show you what it looks like, how it looks like here. So you got slices of pork, the noodles, and the soup. And then they put some spring onions on it. And I'll tell you in a minute what it tastes like. Smells delicious, but I don't know what this is. Yes, this is the first time I've tried this one. Actually, the taste of the 99 ramen is not that bad. It's actually good for just 99 because I know like I said, I'm a fan of Yoshokin Japanese restaurant, and I dine there at least twice a week. And then the noodles there are so different from this one, but this one, although it's 99, you can taste that it's fresh noodles. Although they're just thin noodles than the one in Yoshokin, but the taste is nice. Although it's just 99, and you can have like, it just tastes like an ordinary house ramen. When I've been to a Japanese friend before, and here in Cebu, Miss Masami used to cook this one, and it looks like this, it tastes like this. So it's not bad for 99. I could understand why it's the best budget ramen here in the Philippines. So they have branches in Manila and Cebu. They will be soon coming to Mindanao. So I'm saying, lami. Daloy said it's lami. Lami in Cebuano means it tastes good. So this is the 99 best budget ramen here in the Philippines.